Well, hello, it's me, Tristate EDC, your favorite EDC guy with a mustache, you know what I'm talking about? AKA Cole, your boy. And today we're checking out the Tristache here. Of course, I'll have a link down below. This is going to be dropping here very soon through Blade Bench. I got all the details for you. We'll be going over here in this video. Links will be in the description and the pinned comment. That being said, let's check out what the V2 is all about. Now, the Tristache, in case you missed it, it dropped here a little while ago. I want to say a few months ago. And now they're doing a V2 version, which I believe should hopefully be a little bit more affordable. We're going to get into it. We got a Tristache V2 sticker there. We got a Ask Me About My Knife Problem Blade Bench sticker and a Blade Bench The Bench. Some pretty cool stickers there. Then we have a good old wiping cloth here with the mustache. Right, I love that. And here is the knife, guys. Let's take a look at this thing. If you guys are ready, I'm ready. Oh man, oh man. Now there's different variants for this one, but this particular one here is the one that speaks to me the most. All right, let's take a closer look. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and check out the Tristache V2. I mean, it's always a good day when one of your fellow YouTubers in the EDC knife community that we're all part of, right, gets to assign a knife and then you get a chance to check it out in your own hands and get a feel for it. This is insane. For starters, this one is the titanium option here. So we got titanium scales. This milling right here with a diamond pattern. I mean, this is just what the doctor order. I got the 80-20.5 and Kunwu Chad will be comparing this guy to. Because, I mean, this is just my kind of sauce, right? A monochromatic knife through and through. Sign me up. We got a deep pocket carry clip. In case you're wondering, that bad boy is titanium as well. It is reversible on the other side, which is always good to see. Then we got an opening hole here and a front flipper. I think the main difference with this one is going to be a liner lock, whereas I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the OG Tristache was a button operated either frame lock or liner lock, one of those two. So that being said, we don't have the button operation here anymore, so it's just going to be a liner lock, but we got that opening hole there, that front flipper. Let's go ahead and test it. I'm dying to see what this blade looks like. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Here we go. Bam. Oh man. All right, Cole, I see exactly what you're up to with this thing. Holy macaroni. Man, oh man, this is absolutely insane. I mean, for starters, it's also my kind of geometry. I mean, if you know me, if you've been following the channel for any amount of time, you know I love me a good warning any day of the week. And this one just hits the spot for me. Absolutely. Then, of course, you know, you got that hollow grind because, of course, hollow grind. Got to go with that, you know. I think the running joke is hollow be thy grind with the Tristache here. So, absolutely, I'm in for it because I absolutely love this geometry here, without a doubt. Also loving the dual tone. So, this is the titanium stonewash. You get a little bit of a stonewash there on the blade. And then you get this horizontal satin, right, on the flat side. So, that's looking pretty interesting there. Also, you'll notice it's very, very clear on the billboarding department, right? There's absolutely no markings of anything anywhere. This right here, of course, is going to be 154 cm steel. And the HRC on this one is posted as 61 to 62 HRC. So there you go. That's looking pretty good there for sure. Let's see, right? Oh man, come on now. Good access to the liner here from the show side. Absolutely feels so good. Also nice and contour all around. Makes it nice and comfortable there. Easy access there to the liner. Very easy to disengage, pushing down into the left. And that lockup is going to be about what, 10, 15, what, maybe 20% or so. You guys be the judge. But that's absolutely looking good. And of course, let's see the drop shot action here. Right, this one's breaking in, of course. Right, a little bit of a shake shutter. Bam. All right, that reverse flick is money. Down deployment there is money all day. Oh man, that front flipper is absolutely money.
Money!
All right, what awesome knife to be checking out right now in the middle of this storm outside. So yeah. Also listen to the acoustics, right? I mean, this thing sounds absolutely like music to my ears, ladies and gentlemen. All right, boys, I think we have a W. We have an absolute W here in our hands. Every single deployment option is really, really good. Now, check out the pivot, right? Got a little bit of attention to detail there. Little mustache going on there on the pivot, right? It is a captive pivot with a TA on the other side. Big hardware all around. TA everywhere except the pocket clip, which we said was reversible for lefties out there. So my boy Cole got lefties in hand. That's what's up. And in case you're wondering, Miguel, who is the OEM for this knife? Well, let me tell you. Kubi is the OEM for this one. At first, I'm thinking Kunwu. I think maybe Kunwu was the first one. I could be wrong, but it is Kubi. I just confirmed with Eric from Blade Bench. And by the way, these are going to be dropping on Blade Bench. I'll have all the details here. Again, links down below. Checking the ergos here, right? You got your hammer grip, right? I got my average size hands, baby hands. I think Cole and I have probably the same size hands.
But I appreciate the gesture.
Am I crazy? Or is your hand really small?
About the size of a KFC spork.
I'm able to get a full purchase here, right? Full 4-finger grip. And of course, you got that good old finger choke right there. He's not skimping on no tiny finger choke. You know, you gotta be able to fully choke on that knife right there. Get some work done, you know what I'm saying? Got a good amount of cutting path for sure. You can do a little pinch grip all day with this guy. Cut out some boxes, open up some packages through and through. I mean, that is absolutely insane, right? How comfortable it is in the ergos department. I'm gonna give it a good 9.5 out of 10. That's it. I said it. 9.5 out of 10. I mean, even the pocket clip is very, very comfortable for sure. We got a, I want to say, matching titanium backspacer here. Has a little bit of a crown jimping to it. Love to see that. We do have internal liners, well, at least on the liner side. I mean, Miguel, it is a liner lock after all. So that obviously is going to be steel. For steel on steel contact, that's always good for longevity. So we got steel on the liner side and then just milled titanium on the opposite side. So you know it's going to be good on the weight department. Speaking of which, if I can get my scale out here, I'm going to say again, full size knife. I mean, really amazing cutting path. I want to say 4.5. I'm going to go with 4.5 ounces. How about so close, 4.4 or the equivalent of 125 grams. But yes, I'll take 4.4 ounces every day of the week, all day, every day. Sign me up. Quick blade stock thickness while we're here, 0.12. That's the average in the channel. Love to see that. Thickness on the handle is going to be more or less around 0.46. It's a little bit thinner than the average 0.5 in the channel. And of course, a quick overall size here. This bad mama jama is coming in at 8 inches, ladies and gentlemen. Tip here, tip to tip, 8 inches with a blade that is 3.5, you know, overall length, and a 3-inch cutting path, and a handle right at 4.5 inches. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if it isn't obvious enough by now, I am a huge fan of this knife, right? I mean, if you didn't catch the hint throughout the video, I'm just going to come clean. I absolutely love everything that is in here, the recipe, the geometry, the fit, the finish, right? This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous! And absolutely a home run from Cole, right? Your boy Tristate EDC. And I like everything that this one stands for, so I'm just going to say this right now, guys. If you missed the opportunity on this one, come on. Maybe you missed the first one like I did. Don't miss out on the second one. I'm telling you right now, testing this thing right now on my hands, just seeing the geometry, getting a feel for it. The fit, the finish is insane. Again, the OEM here is Kubi, 154 cm steel, 6162 HRC. You're going to get that hollow ground Warncliffe blade that looks so sexy. Which, by the way, I want to give Cole, aka Tristate EDC, a huge thanks. Some time ago when I had announced that I was recently being laid off and I was going full-time into YouTube, he did a live stream and he was doing a giveaway, and he sent a bunch of you guys over to check out my channel and subscribe. So do me a favor right now, go check out Tristate EDC. In case you're living under a rock and you know about my channel but not his, I'll have him linked down below. So go check out his channel and return the favor. He makes awesome content. Arguably one of the funniest knife YouTubers in the space. So I'm just going to put that out there. Dude is hilarious. But definitely follow him if you don't already. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.